Welcome back. This is Cambridge Assessment International Education. O levels subject is Mathematics Paper 1, October November 2023. Time allowed is 2 hours. Variant is 1 1. Calculator must not be used. Question number 1. Work out. So this is 6. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. B part says 40 times 3 by 10. So that is 12. Question number 2. Write these numbers in order starting with the smallest. So 1 by 5 is 0.2. 3 by 25 is actually 12 by 100, which is 0.12. 13% is 0.13 and that is 0.1. So the smallest number is 0.1. Then we have 0.12, which is 3 by 25. Then we have 0.13, which is 13%. And the last one is 1 by 5. Question number 3. Work out the temperature that is 20 degrees higher than minus 12. So minus 12 plus 20 is 8 degrees, which is 20 degrees higher than minus 12. Work out the difference between this. So greater number minus the smaller number is 10 plus 4, that is 14 degrees Celsius. Question number 4. Kasia buys 12 apples. Each apple cost 65 cents. Work out how much Kasia pays. Give your answer in dollars. So 65 times 12. 5 2 times is 10. 2 6 times 12, 113. 1 5 times is 5. 1 into 6 is 6. So that is 0, 8, 780 cents. When you divide it by 100 to convert it into dollars, that is $7.8. Question number 5. Yasmin asks 20 people how many pets they own. The results are shown in the bar chart. Find the range. So range is maximum number minus the minimum number. Range is 4. B part says find the fraction of 20 people who own 3 pet. So 3 pet, basically 5 people own them. And out of 20 total, this is 1 by 4. Question number 6. The diagram shows the straight line crossing two parallel lines. Work out the value of x. So interior angles between parallel lines, they are actually supplementary. So 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees. And for y, they are corresponding angles, which is 110 degrees. Question number 7. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value. So 53 to one significant figure, 2.6 to one significant figure, that is 7. So 50 by 10, that is 5. Question number 8. Convert 78 millimeters to centimeter, divide by 10. You get 7.8 centimeters. Convert 3 meters square to centimeter square. So 3 times meter to centimeter is 100 and squared 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 30,000 centimeters. Question number 9. The scatter diagram shows the ages of 10 people and the time that each take to complete a task. Write down the type of correlation on the scatter diagram. So we can see on x-axis values are increasing and on y both are increasing. So the relation is positive. B part says by drawing a line of best fit, estimate the time taken by a person aged 50 to complete the task. Okay, so line of best fit, and at age 50 we can read this as 0.17. You have to read it from your own graph. We may have different answers. Question number 10. Four exterior angles of a pentagon are 150, 100, 45 and 35. Calculate the size of the remaining exterior angle. So sum of exterior angles is 360. 150 plus 100 plus 45 plus 35. 5, 5, 10, 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And that is 330. So fourth angle is 30 degrees. Calculate the interior angle of regular decagon. Interior angle n minus 2 times 180 by n, and that is 10 minus 2 times 180 by 10 makes it 8 times 180 by 10, and 18 times 8, 8, 8 times is 64, 8, 1 times 8, 6, 14, that is 144 degrees. Question number 11. Evaluate. 4 square is 16, cube root of 27 is 3, and 16 plus 3 is 19. Bases same, powers add. So 3 minus 1, that is 5 square, which is equal to 25. Question number 12. The scale drawing shows the position of two boats A and B. The scale is 1:20,000. Find the actual distance of the boat A from boat B in kilometers. Okay, now you have to measure this distance AB. For me, this is 9 centimeters, and then we can use our scale 1:20,000. So basically 9 times 20,000, and when you change it into kilometers, you divide it with 1 lakh. Simplify, we get rid of these 4 zeros and 4 zeros here. 9 2 times is 18. 18 by 10 is equals to 1.8 kilometers will be the actual distance. B part says using compass and straight edge only construct the locus of points that are equidistant from A and B. So equidistant from A and B, perpendicular bisector. Place the needle here, open your compass more than half, draw these two arcs, place the needle on the other side, draw these two arcs and draw a line passing through them, and this should look like this on both the ends. C part says a ship S equidistant from A and B. S is on a bearing of 105. So it lies on the perpendicular bisector and at a bearing of 105. So place your protector and mark the point at 105. Then you may remove it and draw the line. So wherever it intersects is the position of the ship and marked as letter S. Question number 13. Workout. 5 1 times 5 and 3, 8 by 5 divided by 3 1 times 3, 4, 5 by 3, 8 by 5, multiply, reciprocate, 8 3 times is 24, 5 5 times is 25. So 24 by 25. Question number 14. Write 36 as a product of its prime factors. 36, 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So that is 2 squared times 3 squared. B part says a bus A leaves the bus station every 36 minutes. Bus B leaves the station every 48 minutes. They both leave at 9:30. Find the next time when the two buses leave the bus station together. So that's LCM. 36, 48, 2, 18, 24. 2 again, that is 9, 12. 2 again, that is 9, 6. 2 again, that is 9, 3. Here comes 3, 3 and 1. 3 again, 1 and 1. So LCM is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 square. So which is 2, 2 times 4, 2 times 8, 2 times 16. So we have 16 into 9. 6 into 9 is 54. 9 1 times 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So that is 144. This is 144 minutes. So I'm splitting it to convert it into hours. That is 60, 60, 120, and I'm left with 24 minutes. So basically 2 hours and 24 minutes. After 9:30, they will again leave together at 11:54. Question number 15. B, C, D are points on circle center O. A, B and AC are tangents to the circle. Angle BAC is 38. Work out angle ABC. So ABC. These are basically equal and they must be isosceles. So it is 180 minus 38 by 2, which is 142 by 2, making it 71 degrees. So both of these are 71 at both ends. Angle BOC, these two are again supplementary. So 180 minus 38 is 142. Angle BDC, this is 142. BDC is half of this angle. Angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. So 142 by 2 is 71 degrees. Question number 16. The region R is defined by these inequalities. Find and label region R. So we have these inequalities. It says x is from 1 and 3. So draw a neat line, use a ruler between 1 and 3. Then we have y between 2 and 3. So this is y2 and this is 3. Please draw a neat line. I'm drawing it freehand. And last one is y equals x by 2 plus 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. Let me change this color. And when x is 2, y is 2. So I have this and draw it using a scale. There you go. So basically it is between 1 and 3, then between these two lines, and it is greater than this. So this is my region R, enclosed by these 5 boundaries. Question number 17. Y is directly proportional to square root of x. So y is directly proportional to square root of x. It should be y is equals to k square root x. So when x is 16, y is 2. y2, x 16, that is 4k. K turns out to be 1 by 2. So find y when x is equals to 25. Rewrite the equation. This is 1 by 2 square root x. So when x is 25, we get 1 by 2, 5 by 2, write as fraction or decimal or mixed number. It's your choice. Question number 18. In a sports club of 40 members, so total is 40, you may use pencil at few times, you may have to erase it. 22 members run. So total in this circle is 22, 24 they cycle, and 14 they sail. 3 cycle and sail. So cycle and sail 3, but do not run. 9 run and cycle, but do not sail. So we're done with these two. 5 run and sail, but do not cycle. So we're sure about these three. Now we have 6 which only run. So we had a total of 22. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. So the remaining 2 must lie right there. I'm done with this. And then we have 24. 9, 10, 11. 11 and 3 is 14. 24 minus 14 is 10. Done with the cycling one. And for this 14. We have 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. Last thing is left, we had a total of 40. So we add all these. 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 10 is 25, plus 5 is 30, plus 2, 32, plus 3 is 35, plus 4 is 39. So we are left with 1 which should lie outside all these, and this is your final Venn diagram. Use set notation to describe the shaded subset inside the Venn diagram. Okay, this is the intersection. If it would have been completely full, this should be H intersection G. But we have to take this out. That is intersection F complement. You can also write that inside the bracket. It means the same. Question number 19. The diagram shows speed time graph of part of car's journey. Calculate the acceleration of the car in the first 10 seconds. So acceleration is gradient, that is a rise over run. Acceleration is 2 meters per second square. Or you may wish to write y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 as you wish. B part says the car travels 700 meters in t seconds. Find the value of t. So 700 meters, the area under the graph gives you the distance. So this is a trapezium right there. I'm splitting it up. And let's say this is 1 by 2. Sum of parallel sides. This full is t plus this length is actually t minus 10. Sum of parallel sides time height, that is 20, is equals to 700. Now let's simplify and see what do we get. So this should be 1 by 2, or let's get rid of this. That's 10. Inside we have 2t. 2t into 10 is 20t. Minus 10 into 10 is negative 100 is equals to 700. So 20t is equals to 700 plus 100. 20t is equals to 800. T is equals to 800 by 20. 80 by 2 is 40. So value of t is 40 seconds. Question number 20. Find A inverse. So basically the formula of A inverse is 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. So let's find the determinant, that is minus 2 into 3 minus 1 into 4. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So 1 over determinant into adjoint of A, place change and sign change. Find AB. So multiply these two. Minus 2, 1, 4, 3. That is 3, 2, minus 1, 1. A row into column. I'll write it a little directly. So this is 2 into minus 3, 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Then we have row into column, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, 1 into 1 is 1, 4 3 times is 12, minus 3, 4 to 8 and 3. You simplify them. This is minus 7, minus 3, 9 and 11, and write it in the answer space. Question number 21. Factorize. So we take out common, that is 2a minus 3. Factorize 2b whole squared minus 5 squared, making it a minus b whole square. So that is a plus b times a minus b. C part, simplification. So in the numerator we have 2c as common, c minus 4. In the denominator we go for midterm breaking, and that is 8 with the negative sign and 3 with the positive sign. So 8 3 times is 24 and 2 12 times 24. We add these, we get minus 5. So 2c c minus 4. In the denominator 2c is common, c minus 4 plus 3 c minus 4. So 2c into c minus 4, denominator 2c plus 3 and c minus 4. So we eliminate these two, and the final answer is 2c over 2c plus 3. Question number 22. Find f of minus 8. So we just plug it in the given formula. Minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. F inverse. So let it be equal to y. Then we make x the subject of the formula. Multiply 4 on the other side. 4y minus 12 is equals to x. And finally we replace x with f inverse of x and replace y with x. So 4x minus 12. Find fp is equals to g this. Okay, so we have to substitute p in f. That was x by 4 plus 3, making it p by 4 plus 3. On the other side, g is 2 into x minus 1. So that is 2 into x minus 1. And now we simplify. So p by 4 plus 3 is equals to 2p plus 4. P by 4 plus 3 is equals to 2p plus 8. I'm multiplying the whole equation with 4. P plus 12 is equals to 8p plus 32. Rearranging, that is 12 minus 32 is equals to 8p minus p. So minus 20 is equals to 7p. Minus 20 by 7 is equals to p. Negative 20 by 7. Question number 23. In the diagram, OABC is a parallelogram. OA is A, OC is C, X is the midpoint of AC, Y is the point on AB such that AY ratio YB is 2 ratio 1. So 2 ratio 1. Express as simply as possible in terms of A and C. AC. So AC is OC minus OA, which is C minus A. C minus A. Position vector of X. So that is X, which should be equal to, I'll have to zoom out. So OX is basically OA plus half of AC. OX is OA plus half of AC, that is AX. So OA is A, and half of AC from the previous part is C minus A, and now we simplify. C by 2 minus A by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 of A plus 1 by 2 of C. A by 2 and C by 2. C part, yx. So we start from y, we end at x, and we can also write yx is equals to ox minus oy. So yx is ox minus oy. Ox from the previous part is a by 2 plus c by 2 minus oy. Now look at this. Oy is a plus 2 by 3 of this total, which is c. So a plus 2 by 3 of c. And now we go for simplification. A by 2 plus c by 2, negative a, negative 2 by 3 c. So we are left with negative a by 2, and I'm taking LCM for these two. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. This is 3c, and that is minus 4c. So negative a by 2, negative c by 6. Question number 24. Solve. So we begin with the LCM. A plus b into a minus b is basically a square minus b square, and we cross multiply. 3x into x minus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 is equals to 3. 3x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 2 is equals to 3x square minus 3. Get rid of this 3x square on both sides. This is 3 and 2 minus 5x. Take this 2 on the other side. Minus 5x is equals to minus 1. Get rid of the negative sign. X is equals to 1 by 5. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care.